2 1 2 1 2 half sit yes 1 2 1 2 half sit Rutika 1 2 1 2 V shape legs should V shape petali V shape half sit come on put half sit 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 half sit V shape half sit 1 2 1 2 1 2 one leg 2 times come on do 1 2 count count
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1
V shape half sit